This is one of my favorite Google business hacks, and I don't see anybody doing this. And if you speak a second language, this is probably going to blow your mind. I get asked repeatedly, how can I market to Spanish speakers? How can I market to those who speak Mandarin? If you live in an area where it is culturally diverse and you speak a language as part of your service offering, you should definitely add your business name in that native language. Let me show you how. You're going to go to your Google Business profile in the Maps view. You're going to go up to these three lines or the hamburger, whatever you want to call it. Click on Language and then choose your preferred language. I was going to choose Cantonese, but I can't seem to find it here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click Espanol. And then you'll see that my entire business profile has changed to that language. What you're going to do is go into Suggest and Edit if you're not a Spanish speaker. It is always there. If you click on your name, you're going to see it actually gives you another place for you to add the name of your business. And you should do this in the language in which you are trying to attract. So if you are speaking Spanish, if you are speaking Cantonese, if it is Mandarin, whatever that might be, go ahead and add it in that cultural normal language that you would speak. I don't speak Cantonese, but I did just translate it on Google Translate because that's just what you do. I'm going to go ahead and copy that. Now, this is obviously in Spanish and I'm placing in Cantonese, so this doesn't make sense, but this is basically how you would do it. If you need to change it back to English, you're going to go ahead and click here and go ahead and find that English button. And voila, we're done. So there you have it. If another language is part of your service offering, you can't afford to skip this. If you try it, comment below or send me a message. I would love to hear how it goes for you.